Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Teresa and I'm a muddled mess. Um, I'm here in my basement today, and I was thinking, like when I go to my mom's house and I look around, everything that's there looks like junk to me. And when I go to my mother-in-law's house and I look around, everything looks like junk. But when they look around, they don't see junk. And when you're looking at my basement here, you guys are probably seeing junk, but I don't see that. What I see are treasures. It's stuff that's been with us through the years, things that have been with us through the good times and the bad times. A lot of things that made us laugh out loud and some things that even made us cry. Every item in these totes, it's my family's memories, and each item has a story to tell, whether it was when we bought it or when we used it or when someone gave it to us. There's a story attached to all of it. There's a couch down here in the basement, and that's actually the first couch that me and my husband actually purchased. We owned two other couches before that one, but they were bought at like auction sales, and they came out of, I think one of them came from one of those storage auctions. So it was the first time that we actually purchased a couch that we actually liked. And the furniture behind us, the bed, and I bought that for my daughter when we moved into this house. It was a bedroom set that I had purchased then. Shelving back there, my father-in-law actually built those, and I'll probably wind up holding on to those for a while, but because there's sentimental attachment to them. But every item in your house has a story and it has a memory, and that's one reason why it's so hard to actually declutter the stuff within your own home. Like I could go to my mom's house and I could throw out all kinds of stuff. But when it comes to my own stuff, it's a lot harder because of the memories and the stories that each item has to tell. That's all for now. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.